Good morning this Wednesday, the 27th of August. I'm Grady Wolfe, Senior Market Analyst with Bell Direct. Wall Street closed higher on Tuesday as investors assessed Trump's latest moves and await key earnings results out of Nvidia. The S&P 500 rose 0.41%, the Dow Jones gained 0.3%, and the Nasdaq ended the day up 0.44%. In Europe, overnight, markets closed lower as global investors assessed Trump's latest moves in attempts to intervene with the running of the US Federal Reserve. The STOXX 600 lost 0.83%, Germany's DAX fell 0.4%, the French CAC declined over 2%, and in the UK, the FTSE 100 ended the day down 0.7%. Across the Asia region on Tuesday, markets mostly fell as investors in the region also weighed Trump's latest moves both on the Fed and tariffs front. Trump reportedly warned of 200% tariffs or something on China, quote unquote, if it does not export rare earth magnets to the US. China's CSI index fell 0.4% on Tuesday. Hong Kong's Seng dropped 1.18%. Japan's Nikkei declined almost 1%, and so did South Korea's Kospi index. The Australian share market dropped 0.41% on Tuesday following global weakness after Donald Trump threatened higher tariffs over digital services taxes and called for the removal of Fed Governor Lisa Cook. We are at the tail end of reporting season now, with a few key themes emerging as we head into FY26, which we'll discuss later today in our reporting season video being released. But some of these include cost management being the key to margin maintenance. The foundations are being set for a stronger FY26 through though headwinds are easing, and dividends signalling stability heading into the new financial year, especially on a financial front. Yesterday, Coles Group reported a solid FY25 result, beating expectations with strong outlook for FY26, which sent the share price of Australia's major supermarket giant up over 8.5%. Web Travel, on the other hand, tumbled over 7.5% on Tuesday after providing a trading update that signalled softer than expected results in the first half despite strong FX tailwinds experienced during that time. And mining giant Fortescue tumbled over 2% after FY25 results reflected the weaker iron ore market during the last financial year, including NPAT falling over 40%, and the company slashed its dividend to the lowest level in 7 years, and it is a company known for its dividend paying. On the commodities front this morning, oil is trading over 2% lower, gold is up 0.54% at $3,385 an ounce, and iron ore is down 0.07% at $101.53 a tonne. The Australian dollar has strengthened against the greenback to buy 64.96 US cents and 95.72 Japanese yen, 48.45 British pence and 1 New Zealand dollar and 11 cents. And ahead of the midweek trading session here in Australia, the SPI futures are anticipating the ASX will open the day up 0.53%. And now let's dive into some trading ideas for your consideration today. Bell Potter has increased the 12-month price target on Propel Funeral Partners from $5.50 to $5.90 and maintain a buy rating on the full-service funeral provider following the release of the company's FY25 results, including revenue growth of 7.9% and average revenue per funeral rising 1.3%. The company has also had a very strong start to the new financial year, which has driven the price target increase by the analyst. And Trading Central has identified a bullish signal on Collins Food Group following the formation of a pattern over a period of 46 days, which is roughly the same amount of time the share price may rise from the close of $9.76 to the range of $12.10 to $12.60 according to standard principles of technical analysis. And that's all we have time for this Wednesday. Have a wonderful day and happy investing.